Get some possible spread ideas for next week. We'll go to 2-hour chart. I'm going to find my watch lists. So, alright, so quick things I look for in the watch list. Is there a big up or down move? And then see what the indicator says. I'm on my Wi-Fi hotspot, that's why it's kind of slow. It's been a while since it did that. I'll probably leave it. Thanks, Wi-Fi hotspot, being all quick. Alright. It's been hovering in the sell call, sell put for a while. This could be a possible trade, but I'd probably not want to. If you want to go really far out of the money, it might still work. That's good old Microsoft going. It's been on a sell put for a while, I think. It's been on a sell put for a while. It's near the top of the Bollingers. It's an okay one. I'm looking for something that says sell put a little bit more recently. The googly, still a little while. Let's see how these semiconductors are up to. It's up 3%. It might be on sell put right away. Gapped up a little. Oh, the sell put came up. Yep, sell put just came up. So I'm going to look at TSM. And I'll send the alert out.